The David Mokaya case is a landmark decision that is going to bring sanity in the telecommunications sector. Safaricom boasts of over 50 million subscribers, people who have lines under Safaricom. All those people fall under what is called the Data Protection Act. Whatever information Safaricom has of all those 50 million subscribers is protected under the Data Protection Act. How does the Data Protection Act that Safaricom has violated come into play? In Article 28 of the Constitution of Kenya, we talk about every person has inherent principles of dignity, that your dignity is inherent in you as a person. The state does not give you dignity. Dignity involves your personal data, your personal details, your contacts, your family photos that are in your phone, your text messages are private. Your WhatsApp comments are private. That is your dignity. Some of the communication is very intimate between lovers. On Valentine's Day, people passed very intimate messages to their loved ones. And that is why the dignity of a human being is a constitutional question under Article 28 of the Constitution, and that is why we are taking Safaricom head on, because it has violated the inherent dignity of one David Mokaya. What are these inherent principles? And they are found in Article 31 of the Constitution. That is the right to privacy. Every communication is protected as the rights of privacy. Mokaya's communication was protected under Article 31 of the Constitution. 50+1 subscribers of Safaricom, their privacy, the data in the hands of Safaricom, in the data in the hands of the banks, in the hands of any other private or government agency is protected under Article 31. What has Safaricom did? Safaricom, by the mere mention that it is an investigation concerning the head of state, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief, they gave information. Very private information without a court order. This now goes to the violation of the fundamental human rights of Mokaya. Where is the forum to sue Safaricom? We shall be moving to the Constitutional Court of the High Court of Kenya, because what was violated was constitutional fundamental rights of our clients. We have demanded for Kenya shillings 200 million. We have not asked. We gave this work for free. We shall also be asking for legal fees to be provided by Safaricom, because this trend must stop. My good brother Shadrach has put this question: are the DCI allowed to use Safaricom to trace Kenyans where their phones are? Do you know it is illegal for Safaricom to be asked, where is Dan Stanumari? Then they give the police, Dan Stanumari is at his chambers. Then you are seated here, the police come in. Mokaya was in Eldoret. The DCI asked Safaricom to locate Mokaya where he was. Safaricom gave the GPRS of the actual location where Mokaya was. This is illegal. and it must stop. For the police to be given your location by Safaricom, they must go to court, get a court order, and the court order allows Safaricom to give them your location. So, all the Gen Zs that are normally arrested, all the activists that are normally traced, any suspect of criminal activity traced by the assistance of Safaricom. And this is going to be a test case that Safaricom is likely to pay for all the people who have been traced. We are likely to see Safaricom paying over 1 trillion Kenya shillings. Because very many people have been traced, located, arrested without the consent coming from the court. This is a serious test case that is going to bring sanity to the DCI. Because unless there is a DCI going to court and getting an order, you are not supposed to be traced, because your location is private. Your location cannot be disclosed to anybody without your consent. Lastly, the question about police officers arresting people and the first thing they take is a handset. No law allows the police to take possession of a handset of anybody until the court order has allowed that to be done. Have you ever been arrested and your phone, your handset taken, and you are told, give us your PIN number, open your PIN number? That is illegal, unconstitutional, and that is why we are heading to bring sanity into the criminal justice system on the digital issues. The questions about laptops. The laptop, every Gen Z has a laptop. Every time the police will arrest a Gen Z on the street and say, open your laptop, give us your password. Your password is as good as your password to the bank. Nobody, not even the bank, no staff knows your password. Nobody should know the password of your phone unless the court has given that order. So we are pursuing this thing seriously. By Monday 10 a.m. if Safaricom has not accepted, we have served Safaricom, they have received the demand letter. If they have not sent us a check of 200 million shillings, we shall be before the Milibandi Constitutional Court to get justice for David Mokaya. Thank you very much.